Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set keepers on Sleeper app. Firstly, you need to create a company. Make sure you're signed into your Sleeper account and visit Sleeper dashboard. Congrats, you're now on your dashboard. Before creating individual leagues, you must set up a league group. This ensures that all leagues within the group starts with the same scoring settings and rules. Click plus, add a managed league group at the bottom of your dashboard, then fill out the basic settings. You can customize these later. Your dashboard should now display your newly created league group. Now click View Leagues in this group above your league group and click Create League to set up a new one. Your newly created league will now appear in the dashboard. Click on your league to view it and send a private invitation link to invite people to join. Once the season begins, you'll be able to track matchups, standings, and more right from your Sleeper dashboard. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.